My name is Rainier Fabros. In 2018, I was diagnosed with adrenocortical carcinoma. So I went into surgery under the same year. So I've had 5 surgeries in the span of 6 years. Natakot po ako, the fear of uncertainty. So what will happen? Then, of course, this is a very financially draining medical condition. Aside from fear of the unknown, how will we handle this moving forward?
Dahil nga rare case po ito, ang gamot mismo ay manggagaling abroad na mga more or less 70,000 a month yung maintenance medicine. Nung sinasabi ng doktor namin, ito ang monthly expenses ninyo, ito maintenance, ito ang gagawin nating chemo. After the chemo, na 3 cycles, we were advised na kailangan mag-undergo ng surgery. Tapos ang surgery po ay napakamahal. Kahit po sa NKTI po nangyari po yun, mahal. Buti na lang po, first time kong pumunta dito sa office ni Kong Len at natulungan po kami na hindi ko po talaga lubos maisip na siguro kalahati ng hospital bill namin ay nasagot po ng office ni Kong Len.
Congressman Len Alonte, I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude. We haven't met, so it's still in my wish list now. One of these days, we'll have a courtesy visit and personally tell you how appreciative we are. And then to provide more perspective nga, si Congressman Len, her office or program has been sustaining my medical expenses, activities.
And even the laboratories po.
Yeah, for the past 5 to 6 years. Yeah. So it has been a very game-changing, life-changing experience. It just shows na I think all sectors ng community is being supported by Len alone.
Kaya po totoo ang alagang Len. Patunay na totoo. Makakaasa po na matutulungan. Salamat po, Congressman Len. Sana po, kung sino man po ang papalit sa inyo, ay ganyan din po ipagpatuloy po yung magandang programa po.